Welcome back to the Blame Game. Whose fault is it anyway? This week we're talking about managing difficult customers, conflict resolution strategies for service advisors. In the automotive service industry, service advisors often encounter challenging situations with difficult customers. Dealing with conflicts effectively is crucial for maintaining customer satisfaction and fostering positive relationships. As a service advisor, your role goes beyond technical expertise. It involves skillful conflict resolution. In today's video, we will explore valuable strategies to help service advisors manage difficult customers and navigate conflicts successfully. Stay calm and composed. When faced with a difficult customer, it's essential to remain calm and composed. Keep your emotions in check, as reacting impulsively or defensively can escalate the situation further. Take a deep breath, maintain a professional demeanor, and approach the conflict with a calm and level-headed mindset. Active listening. Active listening is key to resolving conflicts effectively. Allow the customer to express their concerns and frustrations without interruption. Show genuine interest and empathy by maintaining eye contact and nodding to acknowledge their perspective. By actively listening, you can understand the underlying issues and work towards finding a mutually agreeable solution. Empathy and understanding. Demonstrating empathy and understanding is vital in diffusing difficult situations. Put yourself in the customer's shoes and try to see the issue from their perspective. Express empathy by acknowledging their frustration or dissatisfaction. By showing that you understand their emotions, you can establish a sense of trust and open the door for constructive dialogue. Maintain professionalism. Even in challenging situations, it is crucial to maintain professionalism at all times. Refrain from engaging in arguments or responding with rudeness. Instead, choose your words carefully and respond in a composed and respectful manner. Remember, maintaining professionalism is essential for upholding your reputation and preserving customer relationships. Seek common ground. Look for common ground or areas of agreement with the customer. Find shared interests or goals that can serve as a starting point for resolving the conflict. By highlighting common objectives, you can shift the focus toward finding a mutually beneficial solution. Working together towards a resolution can foster a more positive and collaborative environment. Offer options and solutions. Present the customer with various options or solutions to address their concerns. Be transparent about the available choices and the potential outcomes of each. By providing alternatives, you empower the customer to participate in the decision-making process, increasing their satisfaction and reducing potential conflicts. Escalate when necessary. Despite your best efforts, some conflicts may require escalation to a higher authority or manager. If you are unable to resolve the issue satisfactorily, involve the appropriate personnel who can provide further assistance. Communicate the situation clearly, including all relevant details, to ensure a smooth transition of the matter to the next level. Learn and improve. Every conflict provides an opportunity for growth and improvement. Take the time to reflect on the conflict resolution process. Analyze what worked well and areas that could be improved. Seek feedback from colleagues or supervisors to gain insights and refine your conflict resolution skills. Continuous learning and improvement are essential for becoming a skilled service advisor. Managing difficult customers and resolving conflicts is a crucial skill for automotive service advisors. By utilizing the conflict resolution strategies presented in this video, service advisors can effectively navigate challenging situations. Remember, successful conflict resolution not only leads to customer satisfaction, but also contributes to long-term customer loyalty and business success.
Thanks for joining us. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel, as well as follow our other platforms for valuable content to help your shop reach its greatest potential.